Hello everyone, today we will study DNA replication. In last video what we have seen, we have studied about the central dogma of molecular biology. So here this is the brief information about the central dogma of molecular biology. The information that will be transferred from DNA to protein, DNA to RNA and RNA to protein, that is known as central dogma of molecular biology. In that there is the unidirectional flow of the information. This already we have studied in the last video. Now we will study the DNA replication. DNA replication, what is DNA replication? What is replication actually? So DNA replication is a copying of DNA, is known as DNA replication. RNA replication, copying of RNA. Now we should know at least these terminology. What are these terminology? First one is autocatalysis or replication. What is autocatalysis or replication? Second term is autonomic replication sequence. What is autonomic replication sequence? Third one, that is also very significant, very important topic, that is endoduplication or endoreplication. What is these terminologies in genetics that we should need to study before going to in detail about the DNA replication? These are very important terms in molecular genetics. So first we should know what is autocatalysis or replication. This is the basic information about the DNA replication. So first one is autocatalysis or DNA replication. Autocatalysis means a copying of one DNA into two daughter DNA. Suppose this is the DNA molecule and this is one of the DNA molecule, and when it will be copied, it will form two daughter DNA molecule of same type. So when it will segregate, it will form two daughter DNA molecules like this. This mechanism is known as replication or duplication. So this is known as autocatalysis, means same DNA molecule will be copied. This is the same DNA molecule in daughter or progeny cell. So this mechanism is known as autocatalysis or we can also say replication. The function of this autocatalysis or replication to copy and transmit the DNA into the daughter cell. This is the function of autocatalysis, means transfer or copying and transmit the DNA from parent cell to daughter cell. This is the main function of this autocatalysis. So the function of this one, copying and transmit, copying and transfer of DNA into daughter cell, and this happens during the cell cycle at S phase of the cell cycle. So this autocatalysis or DNA replication takes place in S phase of the interphase of cell cycle. So it occurs in S phase of cell cycle or cell division. Cell cycle of cell division. Okay. Now, what is next terminology? S phase is very important phase of interphase during cell cycle. In that condition, there will be the duplication, there will be the doubling the copy of the DNA. And next one is a second very important terminology is a what is endo duplication or endo replication. When this duplication or replication takes place in S phase of the cell cycle and without cell division, if the cell is not going to divide, there will be the nuclear division in the cell, but there will be no cellular division. The cell cannot undergo the process of division. In that condition, what will happen? The number of DNA will be doubled. The number of chromosome will be doubled, but there will be no cell division. That mechanism is known as endoduplication. This is endoduplication. Means doubling the number of chromosome, doubling the amount of DNA, but there will be no division of cell. DNA amount and chromosome without cell division called endoduplication or endoreplication. This will create polyploidy condition within the cell. Means number of chromosome will increase without division of the cell. That condition is known as polyploidy condition. Means many chromosomes within the cell. The next term is, second one is, what is ARS? Autonomic replication sequence. This is the specific nucleotide sequence in DNA that will start the replication. This is also known, this specific DNA sequence, nucleotide sequence also termed as origin of replication site. So this is the specific nucleotide sequence in DNA that starts a replication. So a specific nucleotide sequence of DNA that initiates replication. That a specific nucleotide sequence also termed as, this is called origin of replication site. Origin of replication or ORI. So this is the brief information about the DNA replication. Now next one, how many different mechanism of DNA replication? So there are three different mechanism of DNA replication. DNA replication may be of three different. First one is conservative type. Second one is semi-conservative, and third one, this is dispersive. So there are three different mechanisms of DNA replication. Conservative means if this is DNA and when it will duplicate, the daughter DNA must be similar to parental, both the strands of the parental DNA. So when it will copy and the daughter DNA, this is daughter DNA, it will be exact copy of the parental DNA. But in case of the semi-conservative, means one strand of DNA will be conserved like this. This is DNA, one strand of DNA, and this is another one. When it will be copied, there will be the synthesis of complementary DNA over the template strand of DNA in daughter cells like this. When it will get separated, there will be the two template strand. First one is this one and second one is this one. So there will be the synthesis of new DNA. This is new DNA strand synthesized over the template strand of the parental DNA. And here also, this is new strand of new complementary strand of DNA, whereas these two are red and blue color DNA strand of, these two are conserved. Semi conserved means half conserved. These two are conserved DNA strand over which new complementary DNA strand is synthesized. So old DNA strand will act as template strand, but the new DNA will be synthesized over the old DNA strand, that will be termed as complementary strand. We will discuss in detail about the semi-conservative method of DNA. Who experimentally proved this semi-conservative method, then how it will happen and what are the machinery used in semi-conservative method, we will see in next video.